The Korean government has won its annulment lawsuit in the investor-state dispute with U.S. hedge fund Elliott. Following last year's victory in the long-running Lone Star case, Seoul has once again avoided paying damages, this time saving roughly 160 billion won, including accrued interest.
The merger of Samsung C&T and Seoul Industries occurred during the succession process of Samsung Electronics chairman Lee Jae-yong in 2015. Later, U.S. hedge fund Elliott Investment Management, a shareholder of Samsung C&T at the time, filed an investor-state dispute settlement against the Korean government. It claimed that it suffered losses because Korea's National Pension Service supported the merger. In 2023, the Permanent Court of Arbitration sided with Elliott. Defiant of the ruling, the Korean government filed a lawsuit with a British court, the place of arbitration, to revoke that decision. The British court once dismissed the suit, but through an appeals trial, the Korean government's reasoning was ultimately accepted. The key sticking point was whether the MPS's support of the merger can be seen as a government measure. The appellate court judged that the pension service was not a state agency. It partially revoked the previous ruling that was based on this assessment and returned the case back to the arbitration process. The amount of compensation plus the interest incurred to date totals some 160 billion won, or around $110 million. Following a legal battle with Lone Star last year, the Korean government has again evaded liability for compensation.
국민 여러분의 노후인 국민연금을 지켜낸 소중한 판결입니다. 엘리엇의 6분의 1에 불과한 소송 비용을 쓰고도 취소 소송 인용률 3%의 바늘구멍을 뚫어냈습니다.
The government said it will give its all in the remaining arbitration process and also push to enact laws in preparation for future ISDS cases.